This is Captain White from the Sovereign Colonies Armed Forces Broadcast and Space Command, and I'm just leaving the house to go buy some groceries, and what do I get? I run into these freaks because they're worried about COVID-19, and so the manager rushes out. Ooh, what do we have here? You should have never come here. Now you're gonna pay. That's right, I'm Numbnuts. I'm the manager. And you're required to put on a mask. Here, little whipping boy. You're gonna come over here, you're gonna put on that mask if you want to buy any groceries. Because I'm the manager of this freak show. And I'm part of what's going on. This here's the New World Order. You're gonna get down on your knees. Like the pathetic little flea bag that you know you are. And you're gonna come over here and you're gonna lick these Nazi boots. That's right, you're gonna get down here, you're gonna crawl over here on your knees, and you're gonna get the injection. Yeah, we've got the vaccine all lined up for you little pieces of trash. Yeah, you cattle out there. That's right, this is the guy right here. You don't want to wear the mask, this is what happens, man. We're gonna railroad you right on down the line, man. That's right, you're gonna wear the mask. That's because what we all do, we all love the mask. You've got to love the mask, worship the mask. Yes. And then I see this guy driving down the road with his mask on. And he's giving me the stink eye. I think they're all just a bunch of fruitcakes. Man, going to play meat swords. That's right, you go play meat swords because they got bigger things to take care of. Oh man, what happened? Holy smokes. I don't believe that just happened. That's right, somebody's got to do it, man. Somebody's got to lay the pipe. Somebody's got to pick up the sword. Somebody's got to do it, man. Somebody's got to be the Peter fucking Pan.
I'm from another planet.
Oh, darn right. He ain't wearing no mask. Bad little fairies everywhere. These bad little fairies. I think they've got a lot of power. Mama's watching, always watching. Oh man, snap out of it, Captain. Snap out of it. You're being distracted. You're being distracted. Man, I don't know what to do. What am I gonna do? I see what's going on. I don't know, man, if I'm taking the bait. No, I'm not gonna obey. Screw you. You're all pieces of shit, man. Every last one of you Nazi bastards is a scumbag, and I'm gonna dance all over your fat asses. Yeah, and your little bubblegum witches that you send on me, they got nothing, man. There is no Stargate vagina. That's right, me and my dog. Captain White, Sovereign Colonies Armed Forces.
I'm from another planet.
Standing by.